Today's video is all about the top 5 mirrorless cameras, and we're excited to share our thoughts with you all. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking to step up your photography game? The Canon Rebel T7 is a great option for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, you can capture stunning images with impressive clarity and detail. The built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology make it easy to share your photos instantly from your camera to your smartphone or tablet. The 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF ensure accurate and fast focusing, allowing you to capture sharp and well-focused shots even in challenging situations. The optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage provides a clear and immersive shooting experience. Plus, with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, you can transform your compatible Canon camera into a high-quality webcam for video calls and streaming. Compatible with a wide range of Canon F lenses, the Canon Rebel T7 gives you versatility in capturing different perspectives. Elevate your photography skills with the Canon Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Looking for a high-quality camera that's perfect for vlogging and content creation? The Canon EOS R7 with the RFS 18 150mm lens kit is the ultimate choice. With its impressive 32.5MP image quality and 4K 60p video capabilities, your photos and videos will be sharp and stunning. The Digic-X image processor ensures enhanced performance and ultra-high-definition visuals. The EOS R7 features a CMOS sensor for crisp images, while the dual-pixel CMOS AF and subject detection make focusing a breeze. What sets this camera apart is its full-range lens capability. It's compatible with FS, F, RF, and the new RFS mounts, giving you endless possibilities when it comes to lens options. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or anything in between, this camera has got you covered. Capture fast action with ease thanks to the high-speed continuous shooting mode, which can reach mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 fps. From cars to sporting events to wildlife, you can capture every moment with precision. No need to worry about shaky footage or blurry images. The EOS R7 is equipped with 5-axis image stabilization that provides 7 stops of shake correction for steady shots in any situation. Stay powered up on the go with the Canon LPE6NH battery pack, which is compatible with LPE6N and LPE6 battery packs. And with the USB power adapter PDE, you can conveniently charge the battery while it's still inside the camera. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 RFS 18 150mm f3.5 to 6.3 lens kit is a top-notch mirrorless camera that caters to the needs of content creators. Its exceptional image quality, versatile lens compatibility, high-speed shooting capabilities, and advanced stabilization make it the perfect companion for any creative endeavor. Looking for a high-quality camera with outstanding performance? Look no further than the Panasonic Lumix G85. This 4K digital camera is equipped with a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor that delivers fine detail and a boost in resolving power. With its compact and lightweight mirrorless design, the Lumix G85 offers hybrid photography performance without the bulk of traditional DSLRs. One of the standout features of the Lumix G85 is its class-leading dual image stabilization, which works both in photo and video recording. You can capture clear handheld shots even in low-light conditions, thanks to the 5-axis dual image stabilization technology. The integrated eye-level OLED live viewfinder and rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display provide optimal viewing angles for composing your shots. Not only does the Lumix G85 excel in still photography, but it also shines in video recording. You can capture stunning 4K QFHD videos at a resolution of 3840 by 2160. Additionally, with exclusive Lumix 4K photo and 4K post-focus capabilities, you can record photos up to 30 fps and adjust your desired focus points after the photo has been taken. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, the Panasonic Lumix G85 is a top choice for capturing exceptional images and videos. Take your photography skills to new heights with this incredible camera. If you're in the market for a top-of-the-line camera, look no further than the Sony a7 III. This full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera offers stunning image quality and advanced features that will elevate your photography to new heights. With its advanced 24.2MP back-illuminated 35mm full-frame image sensor, you can capture every detail with incredible clarity and sharpness. The camera also boasts an impressive 15-stop dynamic range and 14-bit uncompressed RAW capabilities, ensuring that your photos have outstanding color depth and accuracy. Whether you're shooting fast-moving subjects or capturing still landscapes, the Sony a7 III has you covered with its up to 10 FPS silent or mechanical shutter with A/AF tracking. You'll never miss a moment again. The camera features a robust autofocus system with 693 phase detection and 425 contrast AF points, providing unparalleled precision and accuracy in focusing. And with its 93% image coverage, you can be confident that your subject will always be in sharp focus. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including a high-quality Cell 2870 lens, lens hood, lens cap, rechargeable battery, AC adapter, shoulder strap, body cap, and more. The Sony a7 III is equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen that allows for easy framing and reviewing of your shots. With its sleek black design and professional-grade performance, the Sony a7 III is the perfect choice for photographers who demand nothing but the best. If you're in the market for a highly capable and versatile camera, look no further than the Sony Alpha A6100. This mirrorless camera is packed with impressive features that will take your photography to new heights. With the world's fastest autofocus, you can capture even the most fleeting moments with ease. The wide range of AF points ensures that your subject is always in sharp focus, covering an impressive 84% of the sensor. The 24.2MP APS-C XMR sensor, coupled with the front-end LSI, delivers exceptional image quality with stunning detail and low noise, even at high ISOs up to 51,200. You can also enjoy continuous shooting at a blazingly fast 11 FPS, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects while maintaining precise autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. But it's not just about photos, this camera is also a powerhouse when it comes to videos. It features movie recording capabilities with a microphone input, allowing you to capture professional quality sound to accompany your high-resolution videos. The tiltable 3-inch touchscreen LCD adds flexibility to your shooting style, giving you the ability to easily compose shots from various angles. And let's not forget about the convenience of touch tracking. With a simple touch on the display screen, you can activate smooth continuous focus tracking of your subject, ensuring that it stays in focus even as it moves within the frame. In conclusion, the Sony Alpha A6100 is a camera that truly has it all: speed, precision, image quality, and versatility. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this camera will exceed your expectations and help you capture stunning photos and videos effortlessly. We are glad you watched our video about the top 5 mirrorless cameras and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.